Alright, let's cut through the noise. What is Python and why does everyone talk about it? Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language. But what sets it apart isn't just that it powers some of the world's biggest apps. It's that it's simple, super readable, and flexible enough for just about anything. Created by Guido van Rossum back in 1991, Python's clean, English-like syntax has made it a go-to for everyone from total beginners to expert developers. Here's the thing. Python is easy to pick up, even if you've never written a line of code before. No need to stress over weird punctuation or complex rules. You just write what you mean, and it works. Plus, it runs on pretty much any computer, Windows, Mac, Linux, you name it. But what can you actually do with Python? Let's run through some real-world uses. First up, web development. Ever heard of Django or Flask? These Python frameworks help you build everything from blogs to big e-commerce sites. Imagine creating dynamic websites, managing user logins, or building APIs all with just a few lines of code. Next, data science and analysis. This is where Python really shines. With libraries like NumPy and Pandas, you can crunch numbers, clean up messy data, and visualize it all with cool graphs using Matplotlib or Seaborn. Think analyzing COVID trends, building dashboards, or digging deep into data for insights. Now, onto machine learning and AI. Python owns this space, seriously. Libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch let you train models for things like face recognition or even self-driving cars. If you've used a spam filter or voice assistant, there's a good chance Python was behind it. Want to automate boring stuff? Python's got you covered. Rename hundreds of files in seconds, send out automated emails, or scrape product data from websites effortlessly. With just a few lines, you can save hours every week. Game development? Absolutely. Python might not power the next AAA blockbuster, but if you want to build a classic like Snake or a simple puzzle game, libraries like Pygame make it fun. There's more. Desktop apps, networking tools, cybersecurity scripts, and even running on microcontrollers for IoT projects. Python is everywhere, automating your home, powering research labs, and teaching the next generation how to code. So why start with Python? It's easy to learn, backed by a massive community, and you can do almost anything with it. One language, endless possibilities. If you want to build, automate, or analyze, Python's your ticket in. That's Python in 3 minutes. If you're ready to dive in, you're in great company. And trust me, you won't regret it.